Growing, maintaining and styling a beard can feel like brewing the perfect cup of coffee. It takes the right ingredients, patience and a bit of finesse. If your beard journey feels more like patchy potential than lumberjack legend, don't sweat it, because in today's video, we're going to share the 4 steps that will have you rocking a beard worthy of envy. Starting with step 1, now the growth phase. Growing a beard isn't an overnight success story, it's more of a slow brew process. Give your beard at least 4 weeks to grow uninterrupted before making major decisions about trimming or shaping. Early patchy areas often fill in with time, so trust the process and resist the urge to shave it all off prematurely. To help with beard growth, a healthy lifestyle is your beard's best friend, but a little extra help never hurts. Biotin supplements are a simple way to promote thicker, healthier hair growth. Foods like eggs, nuts, and spinach are great sources of biotin, but if you're looking for a convenient boost, try biotin gummies. They're easy to incorporate into your routine and can give your beard the nutritional edge it needs. Step 2, master maintenance. A clean beard is a happy beard. Regular washing with a beard-specific shampoo will help prevent itchiness, dandruff, and buildup. Unlike regular shampoo, beard washes are formulated to cleanse without stripping away your natural oils. If investing in a beard shampoo sounds like a step too far, a simple hack is to use conditioner on your beard instead. After just a week, you'll be amazed at the transformation. Your beard, once parched and lifeless, will feel softer, look healthier, and be much easier to manage, even with just a small amount of conditioner. Once clean, it's important to keep your beard hydrated by using a high-quality beard oil or balm. Beard oil hydrates and softens both your facial hair and the skin underneath, while balm provides light hold and shape. Pro tip, massage the product evenly into your beard after washing or showering when your pores are open and your hair is more absorbent. Brushing your beard regularly also helps stimulate blood flow to hair follicles, encouraging healthy growth. Using a boar bristle brush helps distribute natural oils evenly, keeping your beard shiny, soft, and less prone to breakage. Brushing in the direction of growth can also help cover patchy areas and create a fuller appearance. Step 3, trim like a pro. Trimming isn't just for maintenance, it's a styling secret weapon. If your beard has patchy areas, trimming the surrounding hair slightly shorter can create the illusion of fullness. Keep your neckline and cheek lines tidy for a sharp, polished look. A beard trimmer with multiple guard options is your best bet for precision. Don't forget to fade your beard into your hairstyle as well. A big bushy beard with a zero fade on top can look disconnected. Instead, make sure your sideburns blend naturally into your hair and ask your barber for a gradual taper to keep everything looking smooth. And if you hate the mess that trimming leaves behind, a stubble buddy can vacuum up clip-ins in seconds, saving your sink and relationships from chaos. Step 4, style like a champ. Beards come in all shapes and sizes, so finding a style that complements your face shape is key. Square faces look great with rounded beards, while longer faces benefit from fuller sides. Experiment with lengths and shapes to see what works best for you, and don't be afraid to consult a barber for expert advice. A well-styled beard is all about the smaller details. Trim stray hairs, keep the edges sharp, and consider using a light beard balm for added definition. It's these finishing touches that take your beard from good to great. So there we have it. Whether you're growing, maintaining, or styling your beard, consistency is everything. Stick to a routine that includes regular washing, brushing, hydrating, and trimming, and you'll keep your beard healthy, impressive, and always on point. Ready to upgrade your beard game? Check out the recommended products at the links below and start your journey to a beard that commands attention.